Welcome to meet Hotpot and Cajun Seafood, where the flavors of hot pot and Cajun seafood collide in the most delicious way. Today, we're diving into this unique fusion of Asian and Southern cuisine, right here in Carlstadt, New Jersey. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by a lively ambience, perfect for family gatherings, date nights, or just a fun evening out with friends. Let's start with the hot pot experience. Choose your broth, pile on your favorite ingredients, and let the magic happen. From fresh veggies and noodles to premium cuts of meat and seafood, every bite is a burst of flavor. It's more than just a meal, it's an interactive dining adventure. Perfect for foodies looking to try something exciting and delicious. So, whether you're craving comforting hot pot or bold Cajun flavors, meet Hotpot and Cajun Seafood has something for everyone. It has all halal menu. Be sure to stop by and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more foodie adventures. See you in the next video.